Number 5. VETEK Digital Camera. The VETEK Digital Vlogging Camera is an impressive budget-friendly option that packs a punch for photography and video lovers alike. With its ability to shoot 4K video and capture crisp 48-megapixel photos, this camera ensures that your moments are recorded in high definition. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or just snapping photos with friends, the 16x zoom and upgraded chip guarantee sharp and realistic images. What sets this camera apart is the inclusion of wide-angle and macro lenses, perfect for capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to tiny details up close. Switching between modes, like time-lapse and video, is a breeze with the handy top knob, making it super user-friendly for those who like to mix things up. Want to use it for live streaming or video chats? No problem. With PC camera mode and HDMI output, connecting to your computer or playing back videos on a big screen is seamless. The pause function lets you stop and resume video recording without creating new files, perfect for long shoots. Lightweight, compact, and ideal for beginners, the VETEK camera also comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring you'll never miss a moment. From casual photographers to aspiring vloggers, this camera delivers excellent quality without breaking the bank. So, you can capture life's magical moments without worrying about your budget.